Hi, sweetie. There's your cake. There's your first birthday cake. Yeah, who's a smiley? Oh, where's Lucas? Lucas, say hi. Hi. Oh, there's Auntie Kelly and Cousin Macy, and there's Grandma back there. Say hi, Macy.
Hi, Macy.
Where's your cake?
Which one is yours?
Macy, where's your cake?
That one.
Okay, come show me. I'm doing a video.
That one is yours.
There's Macy. There's her cake. Hi. Hi, Libby. Libby, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to Stacy.
Say hi to the camera. Hi. And there's Auntie Dawn. And there's Daddy. That's where we went.
Oh, she's pointing
Daddy.
at the camera over there.
Leia.
We didn't even do her.
Oh, look
Just
at you.
grab that big chunk. Put it in your mouth.
Are we ready for the candles?
Yeah, we better be.
Oh. Oh,
The first birthday party of Stacy's, I went to, her cat climbed all over the cake before we got it. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Now she
Yeah.
figured out it tastes good.
Mmm, yummy.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Or is she cutting the cake
Are you
today?
ready?
We gotta light Macy's cake.
Yep, Leia's already cutting the cake.
can we get a knife over here, honey? Oh, these candles are the best.
Why don't you turn the fan down?
Yeah, Mom, turn the fan down.
Somebody turn the fan on.